So, today we are going to make a baby elephant. So, do you have ever seen a baby elephant? So, but we haven't or have, I don't remember. And today we are going to draw a baby elephant. So
you did not tell your friends your name. For people who are watching for the first time, how will they know your name?
From which you just type in, then they can just read my name.
Where?
In the chat.
No, you need to tell them what is your name. So say your name.
My name is Paagi.
From Kids Fun and
Colour.
Club. And we will learn to make a very easy step-by-step drawing of an elephant. Baby elephant.
Yeah.
Let's start drawing.
Preview. Let's start making the baby elephant. So it will be a baby elephant. Oh,
Wow, it's going to be very easy and a very cute drawing of a
baby elephant.
baby elephant.
Ew. Such a funny noise. Or do you have my sketch pen? Papa, have my sketch pen?
Yep.
Ooh.
Yep. So let's start.
I'm going to make it cuter.
Follow me, Parikshit.
But I'm making the eyes a little different.
I'm making the eyes. First, let us make the trunk and the face.
What? Okay. But already we started with the eyes only first.
That is the eyes.
Yes.
No problem.
And then we are going to draw the eyes.
Okay. Yes. From here.
If you think you can just make your elephant even more cuter.
Oh.
You can draw the eyes even cuter, and you can even draw it cuter.
Tell them how can they make a cuter elephant.
So you can make the eyes around and round, and do another circle and color the outer pouch. Yes, and you can make a very happy little elephant. That will make the drawing even beautiful and cuter.
Eyes
Wait.
and ears. And a small tail. We color it using a grey color and black color. Okay?
Okay, you. I'll start with the grey one. Do you have grey? was your elephant. It was good and it was good and it was very cute or cute. So we are going to draw nothing. And do like and subscribe. And next, in the next drawing, we are going to draw a baby crocodile or a big crocodile.